Hello, and welcome to our channel, all about home electronics. You're taking a look at a fairly typical refrigerator. Chances are good you use yours every day. If it were to break down, that would be a huge frustration, not to mention a costly repair. What you might not know is most refrigerators today are controlled by sophisticated electronic circuit boards like this one here. So, if it's not dispensing ice, if it's not dispensing water, chances are good a simple, cost-effective replacement of this circuit board is all you'll need. Now, in a minute we're going to show you how to do that. But before we do, if you're not already a subscriber, hit the button at the bottom right of your screen. This way we will automatically notify you when we publish future tips. Please like the video. We're going to begin right after this. Before you start to work on your refrigerator, make absolute certain you've disconnected the electrical power. Then remove the service panel on the back side of your refrigerator. With the electronic circuit board access door removed, I also went ahead and I taped the instructions for reinstalling the new panel just so that I can reference them during the process. Now, carefully remove each of the pigtail connectors. Next, we want to remove the electronic circuit board from the 4 plastic mounting posts. Simply depress the tab that's located on the side of each plastic mounting post and carefully remove the electronic circuit board. Line up your new board on these 4 mounting posts and gently press it into place. Now, carefully reconnect the wiring harnesses to the pin connectors. The last step in reconnecting the new circuit board is we're going to remove the ground wire from the old board and simply put it in place on the new board. And close the panel back up. So as you can see, a simple replacement of that electronic circuit board fixed the ice and water dispenser. Hey, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a great day.